Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are out in the field with the Derette XC1100 mini skid steer loader. We're going to show you two powerful attachments that make land clearing and site prep a breeze. We'll be comparing the Harley Rake and the tiller. Both are essential for ground engagement, but they serve very different purposes. Let's get to work. As you can see, the Harley Rake is the ideal tool for creating fire breaks. In a single pass, it grinds up roots and debris, levels the ground, clears away flammable vegetation that fuels wildfires, and forms a fire protection barrier, making it essential for safety during the dry season. Now, let's switch gears. We've swapped to the tiller. While the Harley Rake is for heavy clearing, the tiller is all about soil aeration and landscaping. This attachment is designed to loosen the soil deeply. It breaks up compacted earth, making it perfect for gardening, park maintenance, and seeding preparation. It creates that fluffy, loose texture that plants love. If you are in landscaping or agriculture, this is the tool you need on your mini skid steer to prep the seedbed. If you are interested in our channel,